Have you ever opened the Quran, started reciting, and then stopped wondering, am I even doing this right? Don't worry, you are not alone. Every beginner feels that way, and today I will walk you through how to recite the Quran correctly without feeling lost or overwhelmed. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, learning to recite the Quran is one of the most beautiful journeys of your life. But let's believe it can feel intimidating at the start. The Arabic letters, the rules, and the pace, it seems like a mountain. But here is the good news. You don't have to climb it in the jump. You just need the right step. First, remember this, it's not about how perfect your voice sounds, it's about sincerity. If your heart is in the right place, every word you struggle through is a double reward. Imagine that your effort is already accepted. Now, before you rush into big solos, lay the foundation. The Arabic alphabet is your starting point. Think of it like learning the ABCs before you can read a book. Sounds like Ein and Kof may feel strange at first, but with daily practice, they become natural. And here is where most beginners make a mistake. They try to read fast, but the Quran is not a race. Clear, slow recitation is far better than quick mistakes. You might be thinking, what about Tajweed? Well, Tajweed is just a guide to make your recitation beautiful. Start small, learn how to stretch certain sounds, notice where letters bounce or when they soften. One rule at a time is enough. Over weeks, you will see your excitation transform naturally. And when you practice, begin with short solas like Surah Al-Fatiha, Al-Ikhlas, Al-Falak, or An-Nas. They are short, powerful, and part of your daily prayers. Mastering this gives you instant confidence. Above all, don't aim for perfection. Aim for consistency. 10 minutes every day is far more powerful than hours once in a while. It is like watering a plant. Little drops daily glow its strong. So here is what matters. Keep your intention pure. Start with basics, recite slowly, take the drill step by step, practice short solas, and stay consistent. That is your roadmap. My brothers and sisters, the Quran was not revealed to burden you. It was revealed as a mercy from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah loves your effort more than perfection. So start today, even if it's one verse. If you want to improve your recitation or help your child learn Quran step by step, you can enroll in my online Quran Academy. Just check the description for more details. And if this video gave you clarity, share it with a friend who is also starting their journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more step by step guides. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.